How to add channels to LG Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add the channels to your LG Smart TV, there are basically two ways to do so. First one is to rescan for channels. If you have recently moved or there are any of the changes in your area's broadcasting, you might need to rescan for channels. For that, press the menu button on your remote. Go to Settings and click on the Channels option. Select on Antenna or Cable or Channel Tuning. Wording might differ according to your TV model. Then click on the option of Auto Tuning or Auto Scan. After this, you might find some of the channels you are looking for. The second method is to download the app. For that, click on the Start or the Home button and select on the app's icon. From there, enter the app name and press on the Search button. Select the channel you wish to add and click on the Install button. Launch the app and sign in with your account credential to access its channel. These might only work for your Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video. So this is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.